At Bona, we are constantly exploring new ways to act sustainably and conserve the Earth's resources. Refinishing rather than replacing a floor not only means keeping material out of landfill, but can also reduce carbon footprint. In fact, a study by IVL Swedish Environmental Institute found that the energy savings of refinishing rather than replacing a floor is as high as 95%. Other ways to reduce the environmental impact of floor refinishing is by using dust containment systems, waterborne finishes, and low VOC stains and adhesives. Innovative technologies like the Bona commercial system offer a new way to refinish a PVC or resilient floor with minimal downtime. Refinishing rather than replacing a floor can make a big difference. At Bona, we're doing our part to constantly evolve our products and systems to create beautiful floors that last a lifetime.